What's going on, everyone? I'm starving and making like 20 pounds of poke in this clip, so I'll do the math for you later. When making poke, the brand of soy sauce you use matters quite a bit. In this clip, I'm using Aloha, but you could also use Kikkoman or Yamasa. Yamasa is quite concentrated and very dark, so use that sparingly. When it comes to your toasted sesame oil, use Kadoya. If you use Kikkoman, you will be disappointed. It tastes like poison. Add an arbitrary amount of furikake. If you're not too sure what this is, it's just nori flakes, sesame seeds, and sugar. Sometimes bonito flakes are added. They have a lot of these. I refer to this as rice crack because that's what it is. If you're making this at home, use fresh garlic. If you're making this for a business, use fresh garlic. Don't use tinned garlic. The people I work for are cheap and lazy. Pickled, fermented, or roasted garlic works well too. You could use powdered, dried, or rehydrated, but it doesn't work the same. Add chopped green and white onion, or you can use whatever kind of onions you want, or shallots if you're not poor like me. I've also experimented with leeks, Egyptian walking onions, elephant garlic, and a few other things. There's quite a bit of flexibility when it comes to this dish. Try lots. Mix it up real good. Don't squish it. Make sure you do your quality control. And that's done. There are several brands of this, but to make this spicy, we use the Rooster brand of sambal ulik. If you have sriracha, that works fine too. Sriracha mayo is cool. You can use kimchi base. You could use gochujang if you're into that type of thing. If you're a psycho, you could use Tabasco. And if you're from Minnesota, you can just use mayonnaise and that'll get you going just fine. And then add some arbitrary amount of chili flakes or whatever you want. This is optional. Quality control one more time, and you're done.